Boston Harbor obviously is famous for its maybe infamous Boston Tea Party, right? The Tea Party that I guess was at least one of the things that sparked the American Revolution, right? The colonists saying, well, if we don't get to decide on anything, then why the heck are we paying taxes to the king? And dumping that tea into the Boston Harbor, right? The tea was getting taxed. And so that was a sign of protest. And yeah, that's one of the, I guess, events, maybe not the main event, but maybe one of the memorable ones, at least in the folklore of the American Revolution. Over there you can see the Coast Guard boats. In the back, a sailboat is passing through. And look at that, that's beautiful. You can just walk along the water, so water right there. We're in the Boston Harbor. Again, just such a beautiful day. There's some newer buildings here, right up on the water. Oh, and look at that sailboat coming right through. Beautiful, beautiful old school sailboat. Beauty. Oh, and the flowers here, they're actually smelling amazing. Just passing here, getting whiff of those flowers, really nice smell. Absolutely beautiful. I really love Boston. Over there you see we've got an airplane taking off, Logan Airport. So just across the water here is where the airport is. So we see that plane taking off, and we have a plane over there that's probably about to land. And we have some sailboats over there, sails down. Look at that, it's a beautiful day. Another sailboat coming right through there. And the beautiful breeze here. I love this. This is amazing. Such a beautiful city. Last quick look here at the Boston Harbor.